season 1, I mean, all of it has been, it started getting a lot easier, but season 1 and 2 were really, really tough. Like there's a lot of like figuring out what we were doing as we were doing it. The metaphor that my our incredible writer's assistant, who also should be a writer by now, said something, used this metaphor that was really helpful to me, both in thinking about it and in talking to Fox about it, was that we were essentially like rebuilding the plane mid-flight.
Oh, wow.
The two metaphors were rebuilding the plane mid-flight, and then somebody else brought up turning an oil tanker.
Jeez.
But so then I was like, yeah, it's like we're rebuilding the oil tanker mid-turn is what we're doing